Hello everyone, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku in today's newspaper of, yes, it's Friday, September the 10th, 2021. We have one regular Sudoku left, a Sudoku Heavy. And by the way, in this newspaper there's also an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are six, and half of them I will solve. So now I will continue with the second regular Sudoku, number 3374. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in addition, this will be a 2-star Sudoku. And for 2-star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Then let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these two boxes. There and no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 3 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in this box. Therefore, no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. Then we have a 4 in this third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 4. How about the 2? In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have 2 in the third column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Alright. And then how about the 3 in this column, the 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. You see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright. 9 in this row. 9 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. There 9, no 9 here. So, and the last 9 in this column, we have a 9 here, so no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Alright. 5 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. In this column, 4 missing numbers. In the first column, one of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this big square. So no 8 in this box. So the 8 could be here, here, or there. We see an 8, no 8 there. An 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in the first column. 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, there, 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 and a 7 is missing. 5 and a 7. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So no 7 in this box. The 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. Alright. And we have a pair. 2 and a 5 in this row. 2 and a 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 2 and the 5 should be in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Alright. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 1 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column. So in the column next. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the middle column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 7, 3, 3, and 8. Okay. And now, let me see. 8, 4, 4. Yeah. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. There 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. Alright. 7, 1, 5, 5, 5, 7, 1 and a 3. Interesting. These 2 numbers in this row. Here we have 1 and a 7. 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 6. Okay, how about these 2 numbers in the second row? 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. That means 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, here we have a 4. 5, 5, 5, 5. That means these 2 boxes cannot be in this column. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5 because we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 5 because we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there in this column. Let me mark those. Alright. How about these three numbers? 2 is missing. 1, 2 is missing. 3, the 4 is missing. 2, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. Look, we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left. In this big square, 4 numbers 2 and 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So I've early marked those 2 boxes with the 5. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. All right. Okay. Then 6, 9, 5. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. The 6 is missing. 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9. And look, we have a 6 and a 9 in this column. So no 6 and 9 in this box. The 6 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 9. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for the number 5. We have a 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column, so the column between the second column, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Ooh, then, 3, 3, 1, 7, 3, okay. Okay, 173, 173. How about the 6? Yeah, 1 box left in this big square for number 9. Okay. 6, 6. Interesting. 2, 2, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, how about the 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 9. All right, 8, 8. Yeah. 1, 1. Okay. 1, 1, 1. 3, 3. 2, 2. 2 in this row. 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 2 could be here, could be there. That means in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is the number 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 here. So the 2 could be here or there in this column. We see there 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be here. Alright. 6, 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 6. Could be here, could be there. We have a 6, 6 here, 6, 6 there. And in this column, one of the missing number in this column should be the 6. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. Alright. 8, 3. 8, 3. Okay, 8, 3. Well. 1 number left in this row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Alright. So here, 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 7. Okay. 2 and 7. 7, 7 should be here also. Alright. 8, 8. 3 missing numbers in this row. The 1 is missing, 2. The 3 is missing, 4, 5. And the 6 is missing, 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6. Okay. We have a 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in the first column for the number 1. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here. So this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 2. Alright. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 7. Alright. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, so the last column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 8 in this column. 8 in the column next, on the last column. The only place for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7 is missing. Alright, 1 box left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 7. Finish in 70 minutes. Correct? Between 15 and 20 minutes, it's my time limit. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Sudoku Heavy, for the Sudoku Light, for the Sudoku Medium. I have also the playlist for the Sudokus 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. And I have also playlists for the tectonic, for the binary, for the killer, for the quintuplet, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Friday, and we will meet again very, very soon with the other puzzles in the additional. See you soon. Bye bye for now.